Newegg is an e-commerce platform founded in 2001 that connects customers with sellers, suppliers, brands, manufacturers, distributors, and third-party service providers related to technology products. It offers a curated selection of these products sourced globally for consumers and helps marketplace sellers and suppliers reach one of the largest audiences of tech product buyers online. The Newegg ecosystem has 3 key participants: customers, marketplace sellers, and brand partners. The platform offers a wide range of technology-focused products with approximately 6.2 million SKUs and over 1,500 categories. Customers benefit from a data-driven shopping experience, including user-friendly interfaces, personalized content, and customized AI-enabled shopping features. Newegg also provides timely, secure, and reliable fulfillment, a community of tech-savvy customers, competitive pricing, and flexible payment options to cater to their needs. The ecosystem also provides comprehensive e-commerce solutions such as product listing, fulfillment, marketing, and customer service. Newegg's marketplace enables third-party sellers to offer their products to customers through their platforms and pay commissions on sales. The platform provides scaled access to tech-savvy consumers from more than 20 countries and regions without expanding physical footprints. It offers access to premium e-commerce solutions such as an API-enabled portal, on-site promotions, curated marketing programs, fulfillment, and delivery services. Newegg assigns dedicated account managers to qualified sellers for support in tackling challenges associated with operating a virtual storefront. Over the years, Newegg rose to become a trusted partner for leading technology brands and is expanding partnerships in adjacent categories. They source merchandise from over 2,500 brand partners, including official online stores for well-known brands like AMD, Asus, Gigabyte, HP, Intel, Lenovo, MetaQuest, Microsoft, MSI, NVIDIA, and Samsung. Benefits provided to brand partners include access to a targeted customer base, comprehensive and cost-efficient distribution channels, brand building and promotion solutions, and data insights to aid product and marketing decision-making. Newegg's primary business model is helping customers purchase their desired products through direct sales and marketplace operations, catering to both B2C and B2B markets. They sell products directly to customers, taking inventory risk and providing customer service and support. The marketplace enables customers to buy from third-party sellers globally, offering a variety of product categories. Success depends on securing a broad selection of products from suppliers at competitive costs and cultivating strong supplier relationships. Direct sales inventory is sourced from manufacturers, distributors, and other sources, while marketplace inventory comes from over 8,000 third-party sellers globally. They maintain relationships with major technology product brands and have 2 private label brands, Rosewell and ABS. The company strives to maintain a steady supply of products and optimize pricing and allocation through a flexible sourcing model. Ancillary value-added partner services are provided by Newegg in addition to online retail sales. These services include Shipped by Newegg, which offers warehousing and fulfillment services to marketplace sellers, Newegg Logistics, providing e-commerce logistics and supply chain solutions for inventory management, order processing, packing, shipping, and reverse logistics, and Newegg Staffing, focusing on direct placement and seasonal employee placements for clients' business needs. Marketing services offered by Newegg include flexible marketing packages that consist of advertising sales, event organization, and other campaigns for brand partners and marketplace sellers. The platform helps brands reach a wider audience through online portals, affiliates, and promotional emails. They also assist with designing cost-effective marketing activities. Additionally, the Newegg Media team provides social media and video content services to promote brand partners on various platforms like Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram through live stream shopping, engaging posts, and promotions for maximum exposure. In regards to logistics and fulfillment, they maintain regional warehouses to fulfill customer orders in the United States and Canada, while leveraging reliable transportation frameworks that connect international air and sea transport, domestic carriers, and last-mile delivery options. To broaden their product assortment and avoid out-of-stock situations, they also employ virtual fulfillment by shipping products directly from vendors and distributors meeting their quality standards. Newegg's logistics and fulfillment focus on reliability, efficiency, and flexibility, with customers able to track shipment status through email links or the company's websites and mobile applications. As for customer service, there are channels like phone, live chat, chatbot, or email, with further investment in technologies like ChatGPT to enhance their capabilities. The company also closely monitors its marketplace sellers to ensure they maintain a high level of customer service. Additionally, Newegg offers the Newegg Marketplace Guarantee for marketplace orders, which provides customers with an extra layer of protection. Their standard return policy allows most items purchased directly from them to be returned within 30 days for a full refund or replacement. Online payment options available to customers on Newegg's platforms encompass credit cards, debit cards, prepaid gift cards, the Newegg Store credit card, which offers financing options, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies through BitPay, pay-in-4 option with Zip, and Affirm for extended payment periods. For B2B customers, they can pay during checkout or request credit with terms via the mentioned payment options or ACH, wire transfer, or bank check. Open term accounts are also available with a 30-day payment term. When it comes to sales and marketing, strategies focus on increasing brand recognition, customer loyalty, and repeat purchases. Their marketing strategy includes generating customer traffic cost efficiently, leveraging technology for scalability and sustainability, and aiming for optimal return on investment. The majority of their marketing efforts are conducted online through paid search engine marketing, affiliate marketing, personalized email marketing, and other targeted channels. Offline marketing also plays a role with events like trade shows and conferences to maintain brand presence and customer engagement. Newegg's platform is centered on efficiency and scalability through proprietary software, developed in-house and licensed technologies from third parties, with utilization of high-availability clusters and backup servers, enabling support for over 90 million page views per day and processing of up to almost 1 million orders daily. Key capabilities revolve around websites on a Microsoft.NET platform, mobile site and apps, data and analytics with AI and deep learning technologies, inventory management systems, transaction management, fulfillment management, and anti-fraud monitoring. Newegg notes the primary market location is the United States, where Newegg competes against stores like Best Buy, Costco, Walmart, online retailers such as Amazon, and other IT and CE product marketers and resellers. They state the most important competitive factors for their business are the breadth and quality of product offerings, pricing, fulfillment capabilities, brand recognition, customer service, adaptability to changing consumer preferences, reach, and marketing flexibility. Furthermore, the business experiences seasonal fluctuations with increased activity and a rise in revenues during the year-end holiday period. This leads to differences in revenues and expenses among quarters, making direct comparisons or predictions based on individual quarters unreliable. Though this situation is common in retail and e-commerce industries, where the fourth calendar quarter typically sees higher demand. For more on Newegg and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.